This video will show you how to revoke payment in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily reverse a payment if needed. Let us see how. Right. Click the reservation for which you wish to revoke a payment. Click Payments from the context menu that shows up. You are taken to the payment page of the reservation. In the account statement, select the checkbox next to the payment that needs to be revoked. Click Revoke Payment. Note, you may get this feature activated by contacting Hotelogix support. The system seeks confirmation. Click OK. The payment is revoked and is updated in the account statement. Note, you can only revoke a payment on the same day the payment is posted in the system. This brings us to the end of the video on how to revoke payment in a reservation.